Have you ever wondered what chemicals might be hiding in your deodorant? Because there are companies that pack them with harmful chemicals to fight odor. But what if there was a healthier way? Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Anastasia, and in this video we'll create a fantastic all-organic cruelty-free cream formula that's gentle on your skin. It doesn't contain any baking soda, aluminum, or parabens. We'll not only produce the soothing and non-clogging version, but I'll also explain the benefits of each ingredient and why I chose them. Even though this formula contains 8 ingredients, if you're not planning to sell it, then you can further simplify it to only 5 key ingredients and still get outstanding results. For a more comprehensive understanding of natural skincare, consider exploring my body butter formulation video as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY content. Refined shea butter is perfect for sensitive skin. It creates a protective layer which makes our underarms soft and moisturized. I'm using around 39% of shea butter in the formula to help thicken our consistency but also have these soothing properties. Beeswax is again perfect for skin softening and reducing wrinkles. If you're looking for more of a vegan option, you could use candelilla wax. It's a great alternative. I add about 4% into the bowl with shea butter using water bath. I put it on the low heat and just wait for it to melt. The moment you're gonna take it off from water bath, it's gonna solidify really fast, so don't be afraid of it. You just need to use mixer. Jojoba oil helps with dryness and prevents ingrown hair, while sweet almond oil treats wounds and skin conditions. Into already melted shea butter and beeswax, I'm adding 6% of jojoba oil, 10% of sweet almond oil, and let it cool down for a bit. And finally, vitamin E is a great antioxidant and also antibacterial agent. I'm adding around 38% of Arrowroot Powder to prevent an oily consistency, and this will also help to absorb sweat. A good alternative would be cornstarch. Also in the description, I'm going to provide you with the formula once again, timestamps and links to the ingredient supplier. Then I'm going to proceed with adding a preservative just in case the body butter will contact with water and also just to increase the shelf life. I'm adding tea tree oil, which smells amazing, will keep your underarms fresh, and also antibacterial, which means it helps to eliminate bacteria that causes the unwanted odor. Additionally, always ensure with your supplier the recommended and safe amount of ingredient in your formula.